rituals are conducted in almost every country these days. The ceremonies could be also traced back to Greece in ancient times. According to Greek history, proper burials, along with appropriate rituals, were very important in order for the body to go into the afterlife. However, if these rituals were not properly completed, the body was believed to be destined to suffer between worlds until an individual's rite of passage into the underworld were completed. This is why it was so important for Priam to properly bury her son, Hector. The Iliad of Homer emphasizes the necessity of a proper burial and refers to the omission of burial rites as an insult to human dignity. The Greeks believed that at the moment of death, the spirit of the dead left the body as a little breath. The deceased was then prepared for burial according to the time-honored rituals. First, women readied the body with flowers, dresses, and crowns. In order to prevent the phantom, or ghost from leaving the body, the corpse's mouth and eyes were shut, leaving the body in an ankle-length garment. The body was allowed to sit for 2 days, so that it could be viewed. The mourners came, grieved, and sang and prayed to the gods. The bodies were often set upon piles of dead, dried leaves and branches to be. They set 2 gold coins on each eyes and mouth of dead person, as the toll for the ferry on the river Styx. The body was fired, and on the 3rd day before dawn, the body was taken to the tomb by car for burial. Following the actual burial, friends and family would be invited to leave offerings of food and other gifts, either in the grave or beside it. Eventually, all the offerings made would be set onto wooden planks and burned. Just as the women were the last in the procession to arrive at the ceremony, they were also the first to leave. The women would leave early, so that they could return to their homes and begin preparations for a large banquet held in honor of the deceased. The men stayed behind to complete the burial, the final step of which was to place a large slab or rock over the grave. Even though the belief about afterlife, cultures, or procedures of the funeral ritual might be different from one to another, one thing is same across the countries and times. People honor the dead, and mourn over the loss of their beloved person,